हॅलो स्टुडंट, मी गायत्री सदाफळ पुन्हा एकदा तुमचं स्वागत करते आपल्या लाडक्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर महाराष्ट्र मीडियावर. आज आपण स्टार्ट करणार आहोत क्लास 9 हिस्ट्री चॅप्टर 4 इकॉनॉमिक डेव्हलपमेंट. इन दॅट क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, चूज द राईट ऑप्शन अँड राईट द सेंटेन्स. इन दॅट फर्स्ट, ऑन 19 July 1969 dash dash major banks in India were nationalized. Answer, on 19 July 1969 14 major banks in India were nationalized. Question number 2, dash dash declare is a 20 points program. Answer is Indira Gandhi declared the 20-point program. Okay. Question number B, identify the wrong pair and rewrite the corrected one. Question first, Vasoji Dawar is the iron and steel factory. Dr. Datta Samant is the leadership of the mill workers. N.M. Lokhande, holiday for mill workers. Narayan Sarvi, depiction of lives of workers through poems. Answer, wrong pair is Vasoji Dawar, iron and steel factory. Question number 2A, complete the following chart. In that question first, 5-year plan, duration and purposes. Okay, see the answers. 5-year plan, first 1951 to 1956, agriculture and social development. Second, 1956 to 1961, it's industrialization. Third is 1961 to 1966, elimination of the inequality, increasing the opportunities for employment, increase in the national income. Fourth, 1969 to 1974, scientific research, health and the family planning. Fifth, 1974 to 1979, making India economically self-sufficient by alleviating poverty. Question number B, explain the concepts. In that question first, mixed economy. Answer, first point, in the capitalist system the means of production are the privately owned. In a socialist economy the means of production are owned by the state in the name of the society. Second point, a mixed economy works both in private and public sector. Third point, in order to achieve economic development of modern India, we give preference to model of fixed economy. We can see the three parts in this kind of economy. First is a public sector, second is a private sector, third is a joint sector. See the public sector. The industries in this sector are completely under the control of management of government. For example, production of the defense equipment. Private sector, the industries in this sector are owned by the private industrialists. Of course, the government supervises and controls them too. For example, consumer goods. See joint sector. In this sector, some industries are owned by private industries while some are run under the government management. 4 point, for mixed economy to run smoothly, there is a need for coordination between the private sector and the public sector. 5th point, this system aims at a maximization of production and popular participation on large scale. Last second point, an effort has been made in this system to bring together the good aspects of both the capitalist and the socialist systems. Last point, a mixed economy cannot ignore the profit motive, entrepreneurship and discipline, time bound planning, etc. Question number 2.20, point program. Answer, 20-point program. Question number 2, 20-point program. Answer, 20-point program. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi announced the 20-point program on the 4th July 1975 and resolved to make the efforts towards the rapidly becoming the developed nation. The main provisions of this 20-point program are as follows. In that first, land ceiling for cities and agricultural land, equal division of the wealth, minimum wages for workers, increase in the water conservation scheme. Second point, workers' participation in industry, national training scheme, free bounded labor. Third point, prevention of tax evasion, economic crimes and the smuggling, regulation of prices of basic necessities, improvement in public distribution system, improvement in the textile industry by developing the handloom sector, weaving loans for weaker sections, housing, communication facilities, making educational equipment available to schools. Question number 3, in that first, independent India opted for mixed economy. Answer, first point, our Prime Minister Pandit Nehru adopted the middle path rather than the taking recourse to any extremes. Some countries had adopted capitalism while some had adopted socialism. Each type of economy had its own advantages. Second point, in capitalist system, the means of production are privately owned. In a socialist economy, the means of production are owned by the state in the name of the society. Third point, a mixed economy works both in private and the public sector. In order to achieve the economic development of modern India, we give preference to the model of mixed economy. Question number 2. Banks were nationalized in 1969. Answer. First point, during the tenure of the Prime Minister Pandit Nehru and the Lal Bahadur Shastri, banking was a monopoly of the private sector. Second point, these bankers represented different industrial groups. The directors of these banks were working towards developing industrial sector and increasing its profits. Third point, in order to stop this, the government nationalized the imperial banks in 1955 and it got converted into State Bank of India. Fourth point, the bank opened several branches all over the country. In short, while they played a major role in the development. Fifth point, India had adopted a mixture economy after independence. Nationalism of the banks was essential to cover the defects if they occur while implementing different schemes. Last point, also the profit of these banks would come into the government treasury once they were nationalized. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi nationalized 14 banks on 19 July 1969. Question number 3. Mill workers went on strike. Answer. First, during the Diwali of the 1981, the workers expected to get a bonus of the 20%. Second point, the Rashtriya Mill Mazdoor Sangh, which was negotiating with the employers, agreed upon a 8 to 70% bonus without talking the workers into confidence. Third point, the cut in the bonus proved to be the cause of unrest. Some workers went to Dr. Datta Samant. Fourth point, they asked him to accept their leadership. Workers of 65 mills came together and Dr. Datta Samant led the strike on 18 January 1982 and the half lakh workers went on strike. Question number B. Answer the following questions in 25 to 30 words. Question first, which program was started in 8th 5-year plan? 8th 5-year plan. Answer, following programs were started in 8th 5-year plan, that is a प्रधानमंत्री रोजगार योजना, महिला समृद्धि योजना, राष्ट्रीय सामाजिक आर्थिक सहाय्य योजना, मिड डे मील स्कीम, इंदिरा महिला स्कीम, गंगा कल्याण स्कीम. Question number 2. Which heavy industries were set up under the second 5-year plan, or which project were started in the second 5-year plan? Answer. First is iron and steel industries at the Durgapur, Bheli and Rourkela, chemical fertilizers plant at the Sindri, rail engine factory at the Chittarjan factory of the railway, bogies at the Parambur, shipbuilding factory at the Visakhapatnam, and other heavy industries were set up in the public sector. Huge dams like Bhakra Nagal and Demodar etc. were built to make water available for agriculture. So, thank you students. पुन्हा भेटूया आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग.